what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city.
Hi y'all, can y'all see me through the banisters? Hi y'all. So I'm out here in the yard, my yard. We're gonna be done this month. We'll be done by the end of this month on everything. But I'm gonna be taking you all up here on this hill because I gotta pull some weeds and I gotta lay some rock. And I think I'm gonna take some fabric so the weeds won't come back anymore. Do it that way. Yeah. All right, y'all, hold on. It is sitting on the walkway over there. That big bag of big stones. So I'm going to pull these weeds around here first, you guys. But what I really need to do is lay the fabric so they won't keep coming back. But I think it's too late to do that. Let me tell y'all, know, gardening is tough stuff, right? It's real tough stuff, especially when you have a medical condition. I'm going to show you a little bit of what I did today. I don't feel like I really did a lot. I pulled weeds, I laid big rock, and some mulch around my tree stump. I'll show you. But it's hard, y'all. I'm a sweaty mess. Look at my dirty fingers where I wasn't wearing gloves. Anyway, I'll show you all it here in just a minute. See, y'all see my bellflowers down there blooming? And those flowers right there are like daffodils. They're so beautiful when they bloom. But my pond I still haven't done yet. And I always do stuff around this tree stump. But I gotta pull these weeds. These are flowers that are growing. There's my daughter sitting there backwards. That's the back of her head. Look, y'all. A lot of my buds opened up. Look at this now.
Where's summer at?
Isn't it beautiful?
Is summer under my cherry?
It's so beautiful. And I was working over here yesterday, see? Let's zoom in. Look at Mr. Boobly.
Yes, but the summer's under your cherry.
Isn't she beautiful? I don't know who this person is. And look at her.